Good evening and welcome to J&J Inspire Today. Marks the 42nd day of my 90-day journey, and I'd like to share some personal reflections on a parenting. So yesterday being Sunday, we dedicated the day to family activities, a cherished tradition in our household. So we began by attending Mass together, reinforcing our spiritual bonds and shared values. And afterwards, we embarked on a quest to find the best deals on rice, visiting various grocery stores until this morning. So this practice holds special significance for us, as stacking up on rice before the new year symbolizes abundance and preparedness for the year ahead. In addition to these routines, we address some family matters that required attention. I'm grateful to share that we reached amicable resolutions, strengthening our unity and understanding. It's serendipitous that today's topic aligns with these experiences, highlighting the intricate balance of joys and challenges that comes with a parenting. So as we navigate these moments, we grow together, building a resilient and loving family foundation. I want to show this. This is my topic today, the joys and challenges of parenting. So becoming a mother in my early 20s was both a blessing and a challenge. At an age when I was just stepping into adulthood, I found myself embracing the profound responsibility of raising a child. The sudden need to mature was daunting, and I had little understanding of what it truly meant to have my own family. Thankfully, our parents were our guiding lights during this time. Their wisdom and the values they instilled in us paved the way for us to become responsible parents to our son. Determined to provide him with a comfortable life, we stood on our own feet and ensured he received quality education, enrolling him in the La Salle Lipa from elementary through high school back home. So we ventured into the business world running an aluminum and glass enterprise. However, the challenges were immense, leading us to close the business and seek opportunities abroad. So this decision meant living apart for 12 years, with one of us working in a foreign country, turning us into a semi-separated family with limited time together. In pursuit of reuniting our family, I moved to Canada to work as a caregiver, dedicating myself to care for other children while holding on to the hope of bringing my own family together. By 2017, our dream came true. We were finally a complete family again. Blessings continued as we welcome our second child in our 40s. Starting anew in a different country, parenting both an adult and a preschooler brought its own set of adventures and required significant adjustment. Our journey has been filled with laughter, love, growth, and countless sleepless nights. Through every struggle and triumph, we've learned that with faith, resilience, and the support of loved ones, it's possible to build a life that reflects the dreams we hold for our children and ourselves. Parenting is a continuous journey of learning and adaptation, embracing each challenge with an open heart as allowed us to grow not only as parents but also as individuals. The experiences we face have strengthened our family bond, teaching us the true meaning of perseverance and unconditional love. As we navigate the complexities of raising children in different stages of life, we remain committed to providing a nurturing environment where both of our children can thrive. Our story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the boundless possibilities that arise when we face life's challenges head on with hope and determination. To all parents that are out there facing their own unique journeys, remember that every step, no matter how difficult, contributes to the beautiful tapestry of your family story. Cherish the moments, learn from the hardships, and continue to move forward with love and faith. So I just want to discuss the joys of parenting. Let's start with the joys. There's truly nothing like hearing your child's laughter. It's contagious, isn't it? From the moment they were born, our kids teach us to see the world through fresh eyes. Some of the best moments as a parent include watching them their first step or say their first words, seeing their personalities develop, their quirks, their interests, and their talents, experiencing unconditional love, a bond so deep it's hard to put into words. As parents, we get to celebrate their victories, big and small, from mastering tying their shoes to graduating school. Every milestone feels like a win for the whole family. So, but for me, the greatest joy is knowing that we're shaping little humans who will go out into the world and make a difference. The challenges of parenting. But let's be real. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Parenting is tough, and sometimes it can feel overwhelming. So some challenges we face as parents include first is balancing responsibilities. It's between work, home, and everything in between. It often feels like there's never enough time. Second is managing emotions, both our kids' emotions and our own. Patience is tested daily, and it's okay to admit that we're human too. Making tough decisions, from discipline to education to health. We're constantly making choices that will impact their future. And let's not forget the pressure we put on ourselves to be perfect parents. But there's the truth. There's no such thing as perfect parent, only a loving one. It's in the messy moments, the tantrums, the sleepless nights, the doubts, that we grow as individuals and as a family. These challenges push us to be better, more patient, and more understanding. The third one that I want to share is about embracing the journey. Parenting is a journey of growth, not just for our kids, but also for us. So it teaches us resilience, empathy, and the importance of being present. So here are the few tips that help me embrace the highs and lows of a parenting. The first is celebrating wins with parenting is essential for fostering a positive environment and reinforcing desired behaviors in children. Here are some practical strategies to acknowledge and celebrate these everyday achievements. So, first is create a success small wall at home. So I usually do that. I make some pictures, just like a frame in different frames. So dedicate a space in your home to display your child's achievement, such as school assignments, art projects, or personal milestones. So these visual representations serve as a constant reminder of their accomplishment and boost their self-esteem. Second is special one-on-one time. This is the most for me. This is the most important one. Spend quality time together, engaging in activities your child loves. Whether it's a walk in the park, playing a favorite game, or reading together, this focus on attention makes them feel valued and special. Also, customize celebration certificates. Design and present certificate tailored to your child's specific achievements, acknowledging their efforts and success in a personalized way. Of course, we have to give a family movie or game night. Let your child choose a movie or game for a family night, celebrating their accomplishment while reinforcing a family bonds through shared enjoyment. Cook their favorite meal. Prepare your child's favorite meal as a special treat to celebrate their success, involving them in the cooking process to make it even more meaningful. Create a celebration jar. So fill a jar with notes of congratulations and positive affirmations. Whenever your child feels down, they can pull out a note to be reminded of their achievements and your support. Success chat. Dedicate time to discuss and reflect on your child's achievement, allowing them to express their feelings and thoughts, which reinforces their sense of accomplishment. Achievement system. Implement a system of badges or stickers for different types of achievements, providing a fun and visual way for your child to track their progress and stay motivated. Personalized congratulatory video message. Create a short video message celebrating your child's achievement, possibly involving other family members or friends to make the recognition more unique and memorable. Team Celebration Day. Declare a day in honor of your child's achievement. Team around something they love, such as favorite color, book, or superheroes, will make this celebration engaging and personalized. By incorporating these strategies, you not only celebrate your child's small wins, but also create lasting memories and reinforce positive behaviors, contributing to their overall development and well-being. The second tip that I wanna share to you is parenting is a rewarding journey, but it often presents challenges that can feel overwhelming when faced alone. Recognizing when to seek assistance and building a support network are crucial steps toward maintaining your well-being and fostering a healthy family environment. So, what is the importance of asking for help? Normalizing support. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness. Rather, it reflects self-awareness and commitment to your family's well-being. Acknowledging the need for assistance can prevent burnout and enhance your effectiveness as a parent. Shared wisdom. Engaging with others allows you to benefit from diverse experiences and insights, providing practical solutions and emotional comfort during challenging times. So, building your support network, partner collaboration. Often, open communication with your partner about parenting responsibilities fosters teamwork and ensures a balanced approach to childcare. Sharing tasks and alleviate individual stress and strengthen your relationship. Family involvement. Relatives can offer invaluable support. from childcare assistance to emotional encouragement. Involving family members creates a nurturing environment enriched with love and shared values. Parenting communities. Joining local or online parenting groups connects you with individuals facing similar experiences. These communities provide a platform for sharing advice, resources, and emotional support. What are the benefits of support network? Emotional resilience. Having a support system helps mitigate feelings of isolation and stress, promoting mental well-being and resilience in the face of parenting challenges. Enhance parenting skills. Access to collective knowledge and resources enables you to develop effective parenting strategies and benefiting your child's development. Community connection. Engaging with a supportive community fosters a sense of belonging and shared purpose, enriching your parenting journey and contributing to a cohesive family dynamic. So, practical steps to seek help. First, identify needs. Assess specific areas where support is required, such as childcare, household tasks, or emotional guidance. Second is communicate clearly. Express your needs openly to potential supporters, providing them with the information necessary to offer effective assistance. And the third one is utilize resources. Explore community programs, support groups, or professional services designed to assist parents in various aspects of child rearing. Remember, seeking help is a proactive step. Um, Proactive step toward creating a balanced and healthy family life. By building and utilizing a support network, you not only enhance your well-being, but also model the importance of community and collaborations for your children. The third one that I want to share, this is a third tips to embrace the highs and lows, is parenting is a journey filled with both joys and challenges, especially when managing the diverse needs of children at different life stages. It's essential to prioritize self-care to maintain your well-being and effective support your family. So embracing the coaching role with adult children. So as your child transition into adulthood, your role involves from authoritative decision maker to supportive coach. This shift involves respecting their autonomy while offering guidance when sought, recognizing that their choices are ultimately their fosters mutual respect and encourages their independence. So balancing attention between children, focusing solely on challenges with an older child can inadvertently lead to neglecting the needs of a younger one. By distributing your attention, you ensure that each child feels valued and supported. This balanced approach not only strengthens familial bonds but also reduces stress, allowing for a more harmonious household. Prioritizing self-care. Your well-being directly impacts your ability to parent effectively. Engaging in regular self-care practices replenishes your energy, enhances your mood, and equips you to handle parenting challenges with resilience. Activities such as mindfulness, exercise, or pursuing personal hobbies can significantly contribute to your overall health. So let me just check this one. Yes. Modeling health behaviors. Demonstrating self-care sets a positive example for your children, teaching them the importance of maintaining their well-being when children observe their parents, managing stress, healthy, and prioritizing self-care. They are more likely to adopt similar practices in their lives. So, of course, seeking support. Remember, you don't have to navigate parenting challenges alone. Reaching out to your partner, family, or parenting communities can provide valuable insights and emotional support. Sharing experiences with others in similar situations foster a sense of community and can offer practical solutions to common challenges. By embracing your evolving role, balancing attention among your children, and prioritizing self-care, you create a nurturing environment that promotes the well-being of your entire family. Most importantly, give yourself grace. Every parent makes mistakes. It's how we learn and grow. What matters is the love and effort you pour into our children every day. Parenting is one of life's greatest adventures. Messy, beautiful, challenging, and joyful all at once. Remember, you're doing better than you think, and your love and dedication are truly matter. As parents, we involve through various roles to support our children's growth. The three C's a parents must be. So, first, controller. In the early years, we act as controllers, making decisions to ensure our children's safety and well-being. We establish routines, set boundaries, and guide their initial understanding of the world. The second trees about the three C's is coach. As they mature into adolescence, our role shifts to that of a coach. We provide guidance, encourage independence, and support them in making their own decisions, fostering critical thinking and responsibilities. And the last C is consultant. In their adulthood, we became consultants, offering advice when sought, respecting their autonomy, and trusting in the values and lessons we've imparted. This stage emphasizes mutual respect and acknowledgement or acknowledges their capability to navigate life complexities. If you'd like to connect or share your own parenting journey, drop a comment below or send me a message. I'd love to hear your stories and support you in any way I can. So let's keep learning, growing, and celebrating the incredible gift of parenting together. So let me give you a little thoughts. As a parents, our children are our greatest motivation. The why that drive us to work diligently, striving to provide them with a better life. However, it's essential to balance hard work with smart choices, ensuring we have the time and energy to create lasting memories with our families. In today's digital age, opportunities abound that allow us to achieve this balance by embracing innovative avenues such as digital entrepreneurship. We can design a lifestyle that prioritizes both our family's needs and our personal fulfillment. Imagine a scenario where you no longer have to choose between long-hour works and quality family time. A side hustle in the digital realm can offer the flexibility to be present for your children's milestone while building a sustainable income. This approach not only enhances your financial stability but also enriches your family's experiences. So we invite you to explore this possibility with us by registering on our website. You can access a complimentary 90-minute webinar designed to introduce you to the potential of digital entrepreneurship. This session will provide valuable insights into creating the life you've envisioned, one where professional success and family joy coexist harmoniously. Investing time in this webinar could be the first step toward a transformative journey, enabling you to work smarter, enjoy your family more, and build a future filled with cherished memories. Remember, the goal isn't just to work hard, but to work in ways that allow us to live fully with those we love. Take this opportunity to redefine your work-life balance and create the life you and your family deserve. I just want to share something here first also. Embarking on the journey of a balancing work and family life is both a challenge and a profound opportunity. To encapsulate this endeavor, consider the words of Philip Quinn. It's all about quality of life and finding a happy balance between work and friends and family. So these quotes serve as a reminder that true fulfillment arises from harmonizing our professional ambitions with the cherished moments spent with loved ones. So in our pursuit to provide our families, it's essential to remember that the ultimate goal is to enrich our lives together, not just to work tirelessly. By seeking balance, we create an environment where both our careers and our family related by relationship can flourish. So as we delve deeper into this topic, let's explore strategies and insights that can help you achieve this equilibrium, ensuring that our professional endeavors enhance rather than hinder the quality time we share with our families. So are you ready for 2025? As we stand on the threshold of 2025, it's time to bid farewell to 2024 and embrace a new year with hope and enthusiasm. I wish everyone a prosperous new year filled with opportunities and success, while some may find comfort in adding lucky charms to their lives. For instance, creating a prosperity bowl using a rice, eggs, bay leaves, and a coin is a traditional charm. Aim at attracting abundance in the coming year. Personally, I'm making that. Additionally, the practice of eating 12 grapes at midnight, with each grape representing good luck for each month, is a popular tradition in Spain and Latin America. So while these customs can be meaningful, it's essential to remember that true change comes from within. Our actions, decisions, and determination shape our destinies. So let's focus on making positive changes that align with our aspirations. In the spirit of new beginning, consider exploring opportunities that offer a better work-life balance. Why work long hours with little family time when you can pursue a side hustle that aligns with your goals? Investing in yourself can lead to the life you've been seeking. So to assist you on this journey, we offer a 90-minute webinar, as I've said before, designed to provide insights into creating the life you desire. Register on our website to gain access and take the first step toward a fulfilling future. So wishing everyone a good night and God's blessings. So before I say the last wish, what? Oh. Good evening, Lisa. Thank you. Hi, Super. Yeah. We're not wearing a cape, but yes, we all are super mama. So let's make 2025 our best year. So stay safe, have a good night, and God bless everyone. Bye for now.